So I'm out on site today helping out one of our clients. We're helping them to set up some network on there. They got some old refurbished comms trailers. These are ex-mine site deal. Got some flooded lead acid batteries in the back there. But yeah, we pulled out all the old, we left half the old gear in, but pulled out all the old PWM chargers, put MPPTs in their place, put some monitoring in. I mean, these things aren't going to be huge. They've just got a couple of little Victron panels on them. To be honest, I wouldn't have used the Victron ones. They're good quality panels, but they're just too expensive for the size. I just used house ones. But yeah, so a little bit of data cabling. Got some Cisco radios here. These trailers will be used for semi-autonomous bulldozers. So one guy in a control room sets them up, starts doing a push, and then you got other dozers that'll parallel push with you with no drivers in them. Pretty neat stuff. So we've got 4. Those bloody Cisco radios are awesome. These are the rebranded fluid mesh ones. Just like completely autonomous meshing. You don't have to do any network config on them or anything like that. You just basically put them in the same group and they just work. So we'll have a PTZ camera up there so that the control room operator can see the dozers. And yeah, it's all dismantleable, so all the wiring, like this one's just a gender changer, so it just gives us out an M12, but to make it serviceable, water tends to get in. So basically these cables will come up the mast, plug into the network adapter. This will come out as an RJ45 to X-coded M12 connector, and we can service it all on site. Then we can pop this pole out of the mast. We're off and racing. So I don't often get a chance to come out on site, work on things, so it's kind of a little bit exciting for me when I do get to do this. Anyway, I'll leave you to it.